Seniors, I need you to look at your legs and ankles right now. Have you been noticing a bit of puffiness? Maybe your shoes feel a little tighter by the evening, or your knees have a dull ache that just won't go away? Most people will tell you it's just a normal part of getting older. But here at the Seniors Routine, we know better. Swollen legs, stiff joints, and that heavy, dragging feeling in your lower body are not just signs of age. They are red flags that your body is starving for collagen and struggling with fluid balance. The supplement industry wants you to spend hundreds on pills and creams that barely scratch the surface. But today, we are going to look at the truth. Your body is a self-healing miracle, and it is waiting for the right fuel. We are going to explore powerful, collagen-rich foods that naturally flush out swelling and restore strength to your joints. Tell me in the comments, are you dealing with swelling or joint stiffness right now, and what is the one activity you wish you could do more easily? I personally read and reply to every story you share. When it comes to foods that can keep your legs strong and steady, avocado is one of the most powerful choices you can make. Most people think of bananas when they hear the word potassium, but a single medium avocado packs almost double what a banana gives you. Potassium works like nature's own water regulator. It helps push extra fluid out of your tissues. Instead of pooling in your legs or feet, it gets carried away and filtered naturally. Along with potassium, avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats slow down your digestion, making sure the nutrients stay in your bloodstream long enough for your muscles and nerves to actually use them. If you want to stand up from your chair without that heavy, stiff feeling, start with avocado. Next, we must talk about spinach. But here's the part nobody tells you. Raw spinach is not giving your legs the real benefits you think it is. Spinach is loaded with oxalates, natural compounds that block potassium absorption. However, when you lightly steam spinach for just 1 or 2 minutes, those oxalates break down and suddenly all the nutrients locked inside become available. 1 cup of steamed spinach gives you nearly double the potassium of a banana, along with extra iron and magnesium to support blood flow. This means less puffiness in the ankles and legs that feel lighter and more stable beneath you. Now, here is a surprise that might make you look at your fridge differently. Coconut water. Most people think of it as a trendy drink, but the truth is, coconut water is one of the fastest working natural helpers you can give your legs. Its electrolyte balance is so close to human plasma that during World War II, doctors actually used it as emergency IV fluid. It hydrates deeply and delivers the potassium your muscles need to stay relaxed and strong. It tackles both problems at once, helping you wake up without that tight, heavy feeling in your legs. Just remember to choose plain, unsweetened coconut water for the best results. Another humble yet powerful food is the white bean. These are like little miracles in disguise. Just 1 single cup of cooked white beans gives you almost 1/3 of the potassium your body needs in a whole day. Unlike some foods that dump nutrients into your system all at once, beans release potassium slowly. This slow, steady release keeps your fluid balance stable throughout the entire day. When your body holds the right amount of fluid, your legs don't puff up and your muscles don't feel heavy. Adding these to your weekly meals can give your legs the steady support they need to stay active and balanced. We also have watermelon. Most people think of it as just sweet water, but the magic is in a special compound called citrulline. Citrulline helps your blood vessels relax and open up so blood can flow more easily to your muscles. It also supports your kidneys, helping your body flush out excess fluid that would otherwise pool in your legs. For seniors, this can mean climbing stairs without stopping halfway or walking through the grocery store without your legs aching. And don't make the mistake of tossing out the white rind. That part is actually loaded with more citrulline than the red flesh itself. Celery might look like the most boring vegetable, but it is actually one of the most powerful foods you can eat to fight swelling. The real magic is in natural compounds called phthalates. These little plant chemicals act like a switch for your blood vessels, helping them relax and widen. When that happens, your blood flows more freely, and the extra fluid that likes to pull in your legs gets flushed out instead of weighing you down. People often feel the difference in just a few days, less puffiness around the ankles, and more comfort when standing for long periods. Don't overlook apricots. These little orange gems are potassium bombs that make a real difference in reducing fluid retention. When potassium levels drop even slightly, your body starts holding on to water, leaving your ankles puffy and your feet heavy. Adding apricots to your diet can help reverse this quietly but powerfully. A practical tip is to soak them overnight in water before eating. This softens the fruit and makes the potassium much easier for your body to absorb quickly, helping to fight swelling and relieve pressure. Finally, we have pistachios. Many seniors avoid nuts because of their salty reputation, but unsalted pistachios are one of the richest sources of potassium in the nut family. Potassium works like a natural diuretic, pulling excess sodium out of your cells and carrying trapped water along with it. By adding these to your diet, you're helping your body release the water it's been holding onto unnecessarily. It's amazing how such a small, ordinary food can help your legs feel lighter and your body function more smoothly. But we cannot talk about swelling without talking about the structural support of your legs. Collagen. By the time we reach 60, our bodies produce about 75% less collagen than when we were younger. This is what keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your legs strong. Many seniors don't realize that they can help their body regenerate this collagen through traditional foods. Egg yolks, for example, were once labeled as cholesterol bombs, but they are actually one of the richest sources of collagen-boosting amino acids like glycine and proline. These amino acids are the scaffolding that supports your tendons and ligaments. Other powerful sources include papaya, which contains an enzyme that helps your body absorb the proteins needed for collagen. Then there is chicken skin and sardines. Chicken skin is a rare source of type 1 collagen, which is exactly what declines most rapidly after 60. Sardines, when eaten whole, provide the collagen needed for healthy blood vessels, improving the circulation that prevents numbness and tingling in your feet. Even bone marrow provides the natural lubricants that cushion your joints and hydrate your skin from the inside out. Swelling and stiffness are not a life sentence. They are messages from your body asking for the right balance. By choosing these natural, nutrient-dense foods, you are not just treating a symptom, you are training your body to be strong and independent again. Your health is your greatest wealth, and it is never too late to start a new routine. Which of these foods are you going to try first? Share your experience in the comments below. Thank you for being part of our community at the Seniors Routine. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on staying radiant and strong. I'll see you in the next one.